Hey there, it's us again.
We're back.
Yeah, you thought you got rid of us in Halifax, but no, we're here.
Yes. Here is
Portugal, and we're just south of Lisbon. Yesterday was our day one, and we have this spontaneous trip to Portugal. We found a great deal with Air Transat, and we couldn't say no because we kind of had itchy feet after spending the whole summer riding across the country, and we spent about 3 months back home.
Yeah, just over between 2 and 3.
Yeah, and we were just like, oh, we got to do something. We got to do something. So anyway, here we are in Portugal. We're here for 3 weeks, and
with our bikes.
With our bikes, yep. And so we just did day one, and we'll give you the rest of the video. Will be showing you what we rode through. It was kind of the middle part of the ride was
yeah, not great.
Not great. Heavily built up, a lot of traffic and no shoulder, but bookended by a cool ride through Lisbon and a beautiful ride through the countryside to get to this Ecoparque. So anyway,
Campsite.
Enjoy. Yeah, to our campsite.
Yeah.
By the water.
Yeah. So it was worth it.
Yeah, it was great. So the rest of the video is just us having a good time on the first day, and we'll talk to you again soon.
Bye.
Bye. All right, this is it. We just left the Lisbon airport. We landed a couple hours ago, and we've been putting bikes together, finding our way around, and changing because it's so warm. And now we're heading to a Decathlon sports store to get a fuel canister, and we're on the road. It didn't take long for us to realize we're not in Canada anymore. It's so fun to be back in Europe. We haven't been back in 14 years. Nope.
Que a casa gasta, pá, depois vir para aqui, vir lá, ó.
We're really dodging out into the road and back onto the sidewalk. Bike path, no bike path, sidewalks, and they're all cobblestone, of course, as you can see. But so it's not as clear as it was in Lisbon, that's for sure. orange trees on the shoulder. This is our place right here, isn't it? Oh, you're right, that wasn't too far. And it was kind of fun. We're good behind. Ecoparque. Pardon? Oh, that's the name, yeah.